Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today we're going to go ahead and remove this AC control unit from this Honda Odyssey. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this whole trim. And this is all just a clip on. And right here by the steering wheel, you can actually grab a hold of this and kind of pull it all around. So everything comes off. Don't try to grab it from this corner because you will have to most likely break something. So if you grab it from this corner, it comes out very easily. Once we have the trim unclipped, we just pull away and then we just pull up, and then we have access to all the wires behind. Alright, so once I pulled the trim away, I just pull this up and I have access to all the wires there. You see clips there. Just remove those clips. Once we remove all the clips, you do have 5 screws that attach the AC control unit. Just remove those and you'll go ahead and release the whole AC unit. So once you remove the screws, this is how your AC unit looks like once it's off. Hope this video helps. You guys have a great day.